Okay, welcome to this tutorial on static equilibrium. I believe you can see the question, the corner that side, and that's an exam question in which we are asked to find the value of T1 and T2, tension T1 and tension T2, and we've been given the value of M1. The mass M1 is equals to 10 kilograms, and we are told to assume the pulley system is massless and has no friction. So that means to say the weight of mass M1 will be equals to tension T1. So this is mg is equals to T1, which will be equals to 10 kilograms times 9.8, the gravitational acceleration, which will give us 98 newtons, and that is the value of T1. The value of T1 will be 98 newtons. Okay, now to find the value of T2, we should understand to say the condition of static equilibrium, one of the conditions of static equilibrium is that the forces in the x and the y axis is 0. The summation of these forces is 0. So taking the x component of these two tensions, we should get to say the x component of T2 will be negative T2 plus the x component of T1, and this should equal 0. So this simply means the tension T1 is equals to T2. All right, and we have found the value of T1, so this is simply 98 cos 45 is equal to T2 cos 53 degrees. Okay, that properly, 53 degrees. And finding solving for T2, we should divide both sides of the equation by cos 53. Doing so, we'll cancel out the cos 53 on this other side of the equation, and we can find that the value of T2. The value of T2 will simply be 98 cos 45. Let me write that properly. It will be 98 cos 45, which will be divided by cos 53. If you do your calculation there, you should find the value of T2 to be 115.1 newtons. So we have found the values of T1 and T2. Kindly subscribe and leave a like for more future videos in the near future.